Hi folks, Arnie with Benson's Speed Gems. Today we're going to be talking about how to couple the popular Ford FE engine to another popular Ford automatic transmission 6-speed. So with that, we're going to have our master technician Bob come in and explain how we do this.
Hi again. We left off with the last FE installation as kind of a generic, fits all these different transmissions, but today I thought we'd do a specific one that's getting kind of popular, is the 6R80. You know, it comes in a lot of different vehicles, trucks, whatever. This particular one came out of a 2-wheel drive pickup with a 5-liter in it. This is the kit that we showed on the first installation video, and with no modifications at all, taking all the different modular transmissions. I'll just slide this one on and there's been a push towards putting the newer transmissions on with the more gears, you know, the 6, 8, even the 10 speeds now. This one's kind of popular because there is controllers out for it. That's an important consideration when you go to change them, you know, because if you have to use the factory controller, you're pretty much sunk. But I think there's 3 companies that have controllers out for this transmission. It's a good quality transmission, and it's heavy duty, and I know a lot of guys want to stay Ford, so this is definitely a good conversion for this engine. It's not all that big either. It'll fit in your Mustangs or what have you, whatever kind of hot rod you want. There you have it. It's probably the first time anybody's seen it. It's the 6R80 on an FE. That's a pretty nice combo, I got to tell you. Good gear ratios, heavy duty, 6 speeds. Fits in a Mustang. I mean, what else can you ask for? Well, there it is. I'll bolt it up. If you got any questions, don't forget to call 763-767-4480. Or you can look on the website, www.transmissionadapters.com. So now you've seen the videos for pretty much a generic installation of almost any small block Ford tranny, but we're kind of pushing the modular ones. They actually fit better on our kit. This is the same basic kit as the small block one, but just because of the way Ford changed their starter locations, the modular transmissions actually fit the FEs better than the small block Ford ones. There's also easier to find. You know, these are actually cheap in the junkyard. I think we picked this up for, well, relatively cheap, about $600, $650, somewhere in there. Low miles, late model. The controllers aren't that much. I think that's the wave of the future, is these new ones. Even the Chevys and the Dodges are going with the NAG 1 or the 6L90s. Well, the Ford's a 6L80. That's a good hot rod transmission. So there you are. Thanks for watching.